A digital revolution is sweeping through Bangladesh's banking sector, and it's being driven by a single name, Google Pay. Imagine a world where your phone replaces your wallet, where a simple tap completes a transaction. This isn't science fiction anymore. But here's where it gets controversial. Not all banks are racing to adopt this technology at the same speed. While 10 more financial institutions are preparing to roll out Google Pay services by late 2026, the question remains, will this convenience come at the cost of leaving less tech-savvy banks behind? Let's dive into the details. The latest wave of innovation is being led by banks that have already made significant investments in digital infrastructure. Names like Prime Bank, BRAC Bank, and Mutual Trust Bank are positioning themselves as pioneers, with launch dates targeting late 2025 or early 2026. For example, Prime Bank's Deputy Managing Director Nazim A. Chowdhury hinted at a Q1 2026 rollout, citing the growing adoption of NFC-enabled smartphones as a key driver. BRAC Bank, meanwhile, is aiming for an end 2025 launch, emphasizing its long-term commitment to enhancing customer experiences through tech upgrades. But this isn't just about flashy tech, it's about trust. As one bank official explained, integrating Google Pay requires rigorous testing to ensure security and seamless user experiences. This process is time-consuming, which is why only the most digitally mature institutions are moving quickly. The challenge? Smaller or less tech-focused banks might struggle to keep up, raising the question, does this create a digital divide? Citibank, the trailblazer that launched Google Pay in June 2024, offers a glimpse of what's possible. Within 2 months, the service attracted 45,000 users, a staggering figure for a new platform. Arup Haider, the bank's deputy managing director, noted a 35% surge in customer sign-ups post-launch. The numbers don't lie. With plans to expand support to American Express cards, used by 75% of Citibank's clients, the bank predicts its user base could hit 300,000 in just a month. But here's the twist. Will this exclusivity to Visa and Mastercard initially alienate Amex users? Or is this a calculated move to build momentum before a broader rollout? And this is the part most people miss. The technology underpinning Google Pay isn't just about convenience. Eastern Bank, for instance, is currently working on tokenization, a process that replaces sensitive card data with secure tokens to enable its tap-and-pay service. This level of security is critical, especially as cyber threats evolve. Yet even with such safeguards, skeptics argue that widespread adoption hinges on consumer education. How many people truly understand NFC technology or the risks of digital wallets? So what does the future hold? By 2026, Google Pay could become a staple in Bangladesh's financial ecosystem, but the journey isn't without hurdles. As banks race to integrate this service, the debate over accessibility, security, and digital equity will only intensify. Will tech-forward banks dominate the market? Or will regulators step in to ensure fair competition? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Google Pay will bridge the gap in financial inclusion? Or could it inadvertently exclude smaller players and their customers? Share your views in the comments below. After all, the future of banking isn't just about code, it's about people.